Hi, my name is Vivi, and my family loves Apple Strudel. I mean, it disappears in like 2 days, sometimes in one day. So today I'm gonna share that recipe with you. For the first step, we're gonna make the dough. So first step is 370 grams of flour. Now add 1 egg. "40 grams of olive oil. Now 120 grams of water. And 1 teaspoon of wine vinegar. Now we add half a teaspoon of salt. For those who don't know, we go right, and when we select dough, we put it on 2 minutes. And after that, just like this. So 2 minutes have passed and now we have our dough. But first we get our plastic wrap, so you're gonna need like a piece like this. And sprinkle some flour on it. So now we have our dough, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna pour some olive oil in it, about 30 grams, because it says so in the recipe, but I just eye it. And after that, you need to get it all wet with olive oil, like this. Now we're gonna wrap it up like this. And just leave it for 30 minutes. Although if it's your first time cooking, it might not be 30 minutes, but it's alright anyway. Now we have 100 grams of nuts. So we just put it here. We put it on 10 seconds and rotation speed level is 7. This is what we have, and for now we put it aside. For our next step, we need 40 grams of butter. Two minutes, 70 degrees Celsius, and rotation speed level is 2. The 2 minutes are up, and we put 80 grams of breadcrumbs in. Now we get a half a teaspoon of cinnamon. 6 minutes, 40 degrees Celsius room, and rotation level speed is 2. This is what we got. And remember this from before? Now we put it in. Five seconds, 85 degrees Celsius, and rotation speed level 4. And now we put this aside again. And move on with our recipe. 100 grams of sugar. And again, half a teaspoon of cinnamon. You can have a tablespoon of vanilla sugar or just a little bit of vanillin. It's up to your taste. You need to have 20 grams of lemon juice for this recipe, but I found out we don't have any, so I'm gonna be using an orange. You can use that too. It honestly doesn't affect the recipe that much at all. Now we have 20 grams of rum, but I usually don't put it in. Like I've never put it in. But if it's up to your taste, I mean, it's optionary, so if you wanna, you can. 15 seconds, and rotation speed level is 4. And now we have 750 grams of apples. It's usually about 5-ish normal sized apples. And I'll show you how I cut the apples. So the main thing is to cut them into not so big slices, something in between this. It's usually much more tastier than it's like literal, I mean smaller. Now that we have our apples sliced and ready, we just put them in. $80 grams of raisins. So now we put our mixing paddle just like this, and 5 seconds, and speed 3. And we just mix like this. Put in 90 grams of butter. Three minutes, 70 degrees Celsius, speed 1. Sprinkle flour. And now we roll it into a rectangle. Well, it doesn't have to be perfect, because it's still gonna get rolled up in the end, if you know what I mean. Dough, then again, flour. And now we cover it with a towel for 5 minutes. Like this. The 5 minutes are now up. This is what we have right here. So remember the butter from earlier? We take it now, we dip our fingers into it, just like this. Like this. Put it away. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna just take the corners of this and just do this. If there are any holes, it's not a big deal because you can just cover them up. So you just do it repeatedly like this from every possible way. Now here, a little hole we have right here. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna do this, cover it up a bit. And here, just go. Now again, we take our butter and just smear it all over this, just like this. So now we take what we made from earlier and just do this. Keep my hands in the dark, feel the room breathe back at me. Soft white keys in the corner like a secret. So now that we have this right here, we just roll it up like this. And this sometimes happens, but it's alright because you just put it back in like this and just do it here and from the other side too. By the way, I forgot to mention that these don't have to be like these things. That can also be towels or almost anything that could be used like this. Just make sure it's clean. So for the edges, like here, we just do it like this, so there are no dough left here. And now we just take it like this and bring it here. Or you can also use a towel or this thing to just bring it here. It's to your capability. Now we take our butter, and I usually just take what's left over and just do it like this. The more butter, the better. Just make sure it's not drowning in it. And now we just smear it all over like this. The spark inside my chest, take the long way down. I'll still land on my feet if the world wants my surrender. It can learn to dance with me.
I said I was fine and I meant it kind of. I left your hoodie on the back of the chair. New name in my phone, still I check your old thread. Like I forgot what I swore I could bear. Then your song came on at the corner store. I kept my face calm, but